welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a protective style. Before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss another upload, because like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos and you do not want to miss those. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So if you guys watched my last video, which I literally just filmed 2 seconds before I started this one, you would know that I look like Pippi Longstocking because I prepped my hair for this protective style by like moisturizing it and making sure that my ends were good so that I didn't put damaged hair into a protective style. Okay, so for this protective style, I'm going to be using this Shine and Jam, and then I'm also going to be using this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control. And then I have had these for months. I have 2 bags of this pre-stretched braiding hair in the color 22, or no, not the color 22, the color 30, and it's 22 inches. Now that the front of my head is sectioned off, I can figure out what I'm doing with the back. So what I'm going to attempt is knotless braids, like medium sized knotless braids. I know I usually do like medium to large box braids, and that might end up being what I do if this knotless braids don't work out. So, ooh, my hair is so thick. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can tell because I got on a black shirt, but your girl out here growing, okay? My hair is out here growing like nobody told it to do this. Why is it doing this? So first, I'm pretty much going to be parting out my bottom row. So I'm back and looking crazy still. So I actually decided to go ahead and do box braids instead of knotless braids. I just did them like smaller than I usually do and a lot shorter. Officially done braiding the back half of my hair. It took me like 35 minutes to do 5 braids. So this is what the back is looking like. Turn around for y'all. Yep. So now that the back is done, let's go ahead and move on to the front because it's 9:30 and I don't want to be up all night. Okay, so I'm pulling up the picture of what I'm going to try to do with the front of my hair. We'll see. So I'll put the picture somewhere on the screen for y'all to see so y'all know what I'm attempting or failing at. This is the picture of what I'm trying to do. I don't know how to do it, but we're most definitely gonna try. Why not? You almost can't even tell I got braids in the back. I could be like, yeah, girl. Boom. Oh, wait. Hold on. Boom. Was that better? Alright, y'all. So I just wasted so much hair trying to figure out that style. So that's a no. So I'm just going to do what I did in the back, in the front, because that's not happening. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but what I do know is that I'm gonna leave it to the professionals. Moving on. So I'm gonna part out the front of my hair with rubber bands, do a little bit of braiding, and then come back because it's 10 o'clock. I really just want to be done. So yeah, I'm just gonna be done. I'll be back when I feel like being back. Okay, so this is how it came out. I decided not to record me doing the rest of it because I was just over it and I couldn't give y'all the energy that I would have liked to. So I decided to just get it done and then come back when it was done and with better energy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm here. My hair is done. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I started this at like 10 a.m. So yeah, I'm just putting some oil on my scalp. I already dipped my ends. I braided them so they could be a little crinkly, curly looking on the ends. Because I chose not to braid all the way down to the end, I just tied them off. My face is shiny. But yeah, so that's done. Now I'm just going in with some foam. The foam is the best part because your head hurts so much after braids. And the foam kind of just cools you down. Let me give y'all the final look. So, front, I did a slight side part, not too far to the side, but side enough. And then this is the back. It's not too long. So, yeah. That's it, guys. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was stressed out and I was annoyed that the hairstyle I wanted to do didn't turn out, but that's neither here nor there. It's done now. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications and comment if y'all ever had a hairstyle just not turn out to the point that you gave up on it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.